I'm Matt Bouchard at the Hay Adams Hotel in Washington, D.C. for NAREIT's 2017 Washington Leadership Forum. Joining me today is Jay Leupp, Senior Portfolio Manager with Lazard Asset Management. Jay, thanks so much for joining us.
Always great to be here.
Now, how have you seen the international real estate markets react to the start of President Donald Trump's administration?
Well, initially, post-election, and this was back in November and December, there was a fair amount of volatility, really questioning the outlook. I think so many investors and analysts, including ourselves, really thought the election was going to go the other way, and we had made several of our investment assumptions accordingly. Turns out the election went the way it did, and it took markets, analysts, and investors time to react to it, as well as central banks. I think things in general have settled down, and I think that forebodes well for the real estate markets, particularly the publicly traded real estate equities around the world.
And are there any international real estate markets that, in your opinion, may be being overlooked right now?
Well, I think there are two in particular, Mexico and China. In our case, we believe that the trade rhetoric that's come out of the administration and other political pundits about the renegotiation of trade deals between our countries really has put a damper on the outlook, particularly in Mexico, for equities in general and real estate in particular. We think that's a buying opportunity. We really like the fundamentals in both of the countries, and we do actually believe that all countries involved in these negotiations, U.S. versus Mexico, U.S. versus China, are going to negotiate in their own best interests and ultimately only agree to a deal that works for their country. We think that works well for real estate fundamentals. That's why we're bullish.
And do you foresee more growth of international REITs going forward?
We do. The REIT structure in the United States and in over 30 countries around the world really has proven to be a very efficient way both to raise capital and to invest and operate real estate. We see that trend continuing. We see markets actually stabilizing post-election and into 2017 and 2018. We'll see some new supply, but most of it will be absorbed. We like the outlook, and we are very bullish about the prospects for real estate and real estate-related structures throughout the world.
Jay, thank you so much for joining us.
Always good to be here.
For more REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.